Hello everyone, in this tutorial, we will be looking how to manually charge a customer in Stripe. Step 1. Signing into your Stripe account. Before we can charge a customer, you need to log in into your Stripe account. If you don't already have one, you will need to sign up first. The sign up process is straightforward. You simply click the sign up button on the homepage, and you'll be prompted to provide your email, create a password, and fill in some basic information about your business. Once your account is set up, log in with your credentials. If you're logging into Stripe for the first time, you might see some prompts guiding you through the initial setup process. You can fill in details like in your business name, address, and bank information to complete the setup. Once logged in, Once logged in, you are ready to proceed to charge your customers manually. Step 2. Understanding manual card payments. Manual card payments are those where you enter a customer's card details manually instead of relying on automated systems, such as payment links or hosted invoices. This is useful when you are working directly with a customer over the phone or if the customer is unable to make a payment through an online system. Stripe processes manually entered card payments, but keep in mind that transaction fees for manually entered card payments are typically higher. This is due to the increased risk of fraud that comes with collecting card information manually. Stripe's fees reflect this added risk, so be aware that these transactions may be cost a bit more than automated ones. In general, using alternatives such as hosted payment links, third-party integrations, or payment terminals will save you on transaction fees. However, manual payments can be a good option for businesses where phone orders or direct invoicing are common. Step number 3. Navigating the Stripe dashboard. Once you are logged in, you'll be taken to your Stripe dashboard. Here, you'll find several menu options depending on how your account is set up. You'll notice sections like payments, payment links, invoices, and customers. To begin the process of manually charging a customer, you'll want to look at the payments section in the left sidebar. Within the payments section, there will be an option to create a new payment. This is where the magic happens. Stripe will allow you to create a payment link where you can manually input the customer's card details. This makes the payment process very streamlined. Let us explore how you can create and manage these payments. Step 4. Creating a payment link. When you click on the Create Payment Link option, you will be presented with a few fields to fill in. The first thing you will need to do is select the type of payment. For manual card payments, you will select the option for manually entering card details. After you select the payment type, you will have the option to input the amount for the transaction. You can specify the amount manually or allow customers to adjust it based on their needs. For example, if you are charging a fixed amount, you would input the price. You could also add a description, such as consultation fee, product purchase, or service charge. This allows your customer to clearly understand what they are paying for. You can also customize your payment link by uploading images, adding a description, and adjusting the price. You will have the option to add multiple currencies depending on your region or the customer's preference. If you are unsure about which currencies are supported in your area, you can always check Stripe's guidelines. Step 5. Setting up payment amount and currency. One of the best features of creating a manual payment link in Stripe is the ability to set custom payment amounts. For instance, if you're working with a client on a custom project or service, you can set a payment amount based on their needs. You can even choose whether or not you want to allow the customer to change the payment amount within the limits you set. For example, if your client is required to pay $69 for a service, you can set the payment to be that exact amount. Alternatively, you could set a minimum and maximum limit for the customer to choose a payment amount within. This flexibility can be especially useful for tips, donations, or services with variable pricing. Additionally, Stripe lets you choose from a variety of currencies, which is important if you are doing business internationally. If you are unsure about the availability If you are unsure about the availability of certain currencies, Stripe support documentation can help you navigate what is available for your region. Step 6. Choosing the payment method. Stripe offers multiple payment methods, and you can choose which ones you want to offer your customers. This includes credit cards, debit cards, and popular third-party methods like Klarna, Affirm, and Cash. Depending on your location and business type, you may be able to accept other payment methods as well. Another great feature within Stripe is the option to collect tax automatically. This is particularly useful for businesses that deal with tax collection. and it simplifies the process significantly. When enabled, Stripe will automatically calculate the appropriate sales tax based on your customer's location, ensuring that you stay compliant with local tax laws. Step 7. Customizing your payment link. Before finalizing your payment link, Stripe allows you to customize several options. You can select how the payment link will be presented to customers, such as whether it will prompt for a donation, book a service, or make a purchase. You can also specify whether the payment link will appear as a single payment request or a recurring subscription. For those who want to make the payment link more user-friendly, you can upload a logo, specify a payment call to action, and even write a customer message. You can also add custom fields to gather more information from your customer, such as their email address, phone number, or address if necessary. Step 8. Creating the payment link. Once you have filled in all the necessary information, you can click on the Create Payment Link button. Stripe will generate a URL that you can send to your customers via email, text, or any other communication method. You can also create a QR code that customers can scan directly from their mobile device to access the payment page. If you are a website owner, Stripe provides you with the option to embed the payment link directly on your site. For example, if you're using WordPress or Squarespace, you can add the link as a button or integrate it directly into your checkout page. This makes it seamless for customers to make a payment without leaving your site. Step 9. Activating payments. In order to start processing payments manually, you must verify your business with Stripe. Stripe will require you to provide some details, such as your business legal name, tax ID, and bank account information. This step is crucial for ensuring that payments are processed correctly and that you can receive payouts. If you are testing the payment process, Stripe offers a test mode option that lets you simulate payments without actually charging your customer. This is a good way to ensure everything is set up correctly before going live. Step number 10. Handling refunds and disputes. Once you start manually charging your customers, Step number 10. Handling refunds and disputes. Once you start manually charging your customers, it is important to know how to handle refunds and disputes. Stripe allows you to issue partial or full refunds easily through the dashboard. If a customer claims a charge is incorrect or wants to dispute the payment, you can handle the situation directly through Stripe's platform. Stripe also gives you the option to issue a refund manually. If the customer isn't happy with the service or if the payment was processed incorrectly, you can offer them a full refund or make adjustments as needed. The flexibility to handle refunds and disputes makes Stripe a convenient choice for businesses that deal with a variety of transactions. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.